Alright, y'all, so what we're looking at here is a 12-inch Hoover line ball cock. It doesn't say it, but it is a Hoover line ball cock. As you can see by the diaphragm that's in there right now. Oh! Yeah, there's a blue diaphragm in there right now. I don't know why that would be, but as you can see... Why doesn't it say Hoover on it? That's okay, but, you know, it's a 12-inch. These are really good, these toilet fill valves, because they work really good and they shut off. Let's take this thing apart. I have to show you on another video later on one, but they're pretty cool. It's got a diaphragm in here. A float that goes up and down. See what I mean? So